Hi, everybody. This next part of this project is very small. It's just a little bit of Flexbox practice. Give it a try on your own. You should be able to figure this out. But if you struggle, don't worry. I will show you how after you unpause the video. All right, so we're told update the CSS of these two classes to arrange the cards as shown in the design. Make sure the gap is correct, 40 pixels. Notice the cards are centered inside the membership steps element. Yeah, I mean they're centered um, horizontally and vertically, I guess. And use flex basis to set the initial main size of flex items. So if you're wondering what that means, well, flex basis, you can basically use it to set either the width or the height of a flex element depending on its uh, the direction of the container that it's in. So for a row direction, flex basis, which will be this 220, will set the initial width, but it's more flexible than width. It will allow the container to change size depending on the size of the. It'll allow the item to change size depending on the size of the container. All right, so how can we approach this? What do we have to start with? Here, go here. Well, we have the 4 cards in a column. How do we turn a column into a row? Hopefully you're starting to remember that we do that with Flexbox. We just turn the parent into a row. How did I know what element to choose? Well, we need to make these step elements appear in a row. There's only one option that will allow you to do that, and that's turn the immediate parent element into a flex container. And all right, so we need, what else do we need? On the step elements, we need that flex basis of what? What do we need? 220 is what it was. We need a gap. Where do we put the gap? Not here, not on the child elements. You have to put the gap on the parent. Gap, 40 pixels. And to center a flex box with row direction, to center it horizontally, justify content center. And as far as vertical centering, that's not going to be necessary here. So really, that's it. It's a very small section, and I'll leave it up to you to transfer the code to VS Code.